This video demonstrates how to connect a Orifice adapter to the canister to be tested by the GIT RTP canister tester. What you see here is the standard connection to the back end of the canister. This is called the interconnecting probe, and this is the normal condition. During the development and testing process, we connect this little device manufactured by Lennox Laser. Internal to this little device, there's a 25 micron diameter Orifice adapter. And the intention here is to, during development work or during validation work or just plain testing work, the intention is to always run a number of tests without the Orifice adapter connected, as you see in the setup that you see right now, and also to run a number of cycles with the connected adapter so that you can evaluate the pressure decay when a 25 micron hole is present in the canister. So this shows how to include the Orifice adapter on the assembly. You can see the probe assembly has 3 connections. 2 are pneumatic connections, and 1 is the RTD probe, temperature probe. So in order to install the adapter, I'm going to disconnect one of the pneumatic connections and connect that to the adapter, such as that, and then connect the other connection to, there you go, just like that. So as you can see, this pneumatic connection goes through like that, but also there's a leak through here with the 25 micron Orifice installed.